Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm your humble vegetarian Heidi, and today I'm sharing with you two quick recipes in one video. This was a spontaneous throw together of ingredients that really turned out delightful. So before we get started, please take a moment to click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you have, well, check out the ingredients in the description box and let's get to cooking. In my colander, I have some diced boiled potatoes, carrots, and bell peppers that's been boiled until it's tender, and mixed frozen vegetables that I scalded in the same hot water as the potatoes. I added the frozen veggies to the pot of boiling potatoes for about 2 minutes and then removed from the heat and drained in this large colander. So let it cool down a bit. Add the veggies to a large mixing bowl or basin and throw in all the other ingredients. I bet you didn't realize it was that easy to make a delightful vegetarian potato salad. That's it. So now for some serious heat and action. Let's make some fiery soya bits. It's actually sweet and fiery at the same time. To make the soya bits, add the bits to a bowl and rinse twice. I'm not soaking the bits. Pour in the ketchup and hot sauce or pepper sauce. Add the onions and bell peppers. You can add carrots and shredded cabbage if you want more vegetables. I used what I had. Give everything a nice mix and let it marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes. Heat a pan and add the oil. Gently add in the ginger and garlic and saute for 2 minutes or until lightly golden. Keep the heat on medium to low for this. Add in the seasoned soya bits and pour in half cup of water. Give it a little stir. Cover and cook for about 2 minutes. In the meantime, prepare the slurry. In a bowl, mix the soy sauce, sugar, and cornstarch in a half cup of water. Make sure that the sugar and cornstarch dissolve properly. Remove the lid and pour the slurry into the pot. Mix well and cook until the sauce thickens up. Turn off the heat. Now you can serve everything right away if you prefer, or you can chill the potato salad in the fridge and then serve. I plated everything right away. The potato salad, some shredded lettuce, and my sweet and fiery soya bits. Yummy in my tummy. Pray, exercise, eat, love, and be happy. Thanks so much for chilling with H today, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share and follow me on my Facebook and Instagram. Sometimes I share stuff there that you won't get here on my YouTube channel, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.